Solve 64 divided by 8 times 4 divided by 2 equals, anong sagot natin dyan? Sa PEMDAS rule, di ba ang pattern natin is PEMDAS? Tandaan, sa PEMDAS guys, ito ay parenthesis, siya lagi yung una, followed by the exponent, siya lagi yung pangalawa. Okay? However, pagdating natin ng multiplication and division, ito, kung sakaling magkatabi, yung multiplication and division, isa-solve mo yan from left to right. Okay? Left to right. Same with the addition and subtraction. Just in case na may magkatabi na plus at saka minus, isa-solve mo yon from left to right kasi same sila ng family. Pag sinabing magkapamilya sila, so kahit na nauna yung division dun sa multiplication, isa-solve mo yun ng left to right. Okay? So dito, kung mapapansin nyo, sa problem natin, division, ayan o, division, multiplication, and division. Magkaka-family sila. Pag sinabing same family, again, pag sinolve natin yan, isa-solve nyo yan from left to right. Okay? Try natin. 64 divided by 8, that is 8. 8 times 4, that is 32. Tama? Then 32 divided by 2, 16. So 16 ang sagot. Ang tamang sagot ay letter D, 16. Okay, nasundan ba? Nasundan? Left to right tayo, no? Ayan, letter D. Tama naman. Lahat na nakakuha ng tamang sagot, okay lang ba? Share natin yung ating live stream.